Welcome back to Simply NUC. I'm Sean, your senior support technician. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a little additional GPU power to your mini PC. Today we'll be utilizing the Moonstone R9 with an eGPU Node Pro and a GeoForce RTX 3060 Ti. Let's get started. As you can see, within the eGPU Node, we have the RTX 3060 Ti installed. You can install any one of the GPUs that you want in here. I have both Molex connectors connected for power. And on the box side here, you can see the IOs here. To get started, we want to make sure that our power cord is plugged in, nice and snug here. We are going to take our display cable, the HDMI, and we will connect it to the GPU's IO. So HDMI to HDMI, display ports if you have those. Some of your GPUs may have Thunderbolt ports, you can utilize those as well, as long as your monitor takes Thunderbolt. So we're going to plug that HDMI in there. You're going to take the other side and we're going to go ahead and plug it up to our secondary monitor. All right. Next step, we're going to connect the eGPU node to the Moonstone. So we're going to take Thunderbolt here and we're going to connect it to the eGPU node's IO. And then we're going to take this and plug it into the Thunderbolt port on our Moonstone. All right. Now currently the eGPU node is off. I'm going to go ahead and switch it on. So with everything plugged in, you can see that the secondary monitor here is now utilizing the external GPU, and your primary monitor here is utilizing your integrated graphics off your mini PC. Once everything is plugged in and turned on, it should auto-detect your drivers for you. If not, you may need to download additional drivers and software such as the GeoForce Experience or the NVIDIA Graphics Control Center. That's how you plug an eGPU to your mini PC. Thank you for choosing Simply NUC.